Hi, I'm Bonnie. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're making salad Shirazi. It's a Persian side salad. This dish is a staple. You're gonna make this salad over and over again because you're gonna realize how versatile it is. Normally it's eaten with pretty much every Persian stew and every Persian rice dish. It's found in every household. It's found in any Persian restaurant, but you could use it as a topping for like chicken or fish or beef. Salad Shirazi is made with all fresh ingredients: cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and a fresh lemon. It's made with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper for seasoning. You can add some fresh herbs if you want to. Today we're gonna use parsley. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure our vegetables are all washed and ready to go. We're gonna take our cucumber and we're gonna dice it up. We're gonna try to dice it evenly to about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. I like to use seedless cucumbers because they have less seeds and they taste better. And also, they seem to have less wax on it, and I can use the skins to make it look prettier. Next, we're gonna take our tomato and hopefully get it the same size as the cucumber. Take out the stem. You can use any tomato you want. You can use Roma tomatoes. I happen to have this beefsteak tomato. Then we're gonna place our tomatoes in the bowl with our cucumbers. Next, we're gonna take our onion. We're only gonna use about half of this onion, and we're going to chop that up just like we did our tomatoes and cucumbers. You can use any kind of onion you want. I happen to have white onions in my pantry. If you like Vidalia sweet onions, that'll add a nice flavor. Red onions would actually add a really nice color to your salad. But there's so many flavors going on in this dish that the type of onion is not going to matter much. It's mostly gonna matter what your preference is. And then we're gonna place our onions in the bowl with our tomatoes and cucumbers. All right, next we're gonna take our fresh lemon and we're gonna squeeze that and put that in our bowl as well. You can use prepared lemon juice if you don't have a fresh lemon, but I don't recommend it because fresh lemon juice is so much better. I'm only gonna use 1/2 lemon. Sometimes it depends on your lemon, whether it is really juicy. You might need to use the whole lemon, but we're gonna taste it and make sure. Next, we're gonna put in some fresh parsley. I normally don't put in fresh herbs, but if you do have some in your fridge and you wanna put it in, just adds to the freshness of the salad. You can add any herb you want, whether it's basil, cilantro, depends on your preference. And just a rough chop will do. And then we're gonna put that in the bowl. Now we're gonna top it off with some olive oil and some salt and pepper. You want a good quality olive oil? Just a little drizzle. The olive oil makes it so savory. Add a little bit of pepper. Just a dash of salt. Now we're just gonna mix it all up and we're all done. So that's salad Shirazi. Healthy, delicious, affordable, goes with everything. Enjoy. For more information on recipes and low-carb cooking, visit my website, dietitianfordiabetes.com.